Due to modern traffic conditions, vehicles fitted with a diesel particulate filters have a tendency to block up with soot, oil, grease, and ash. This is due to the DPF rarely getting up to high enough temperatures required to burn away these deposits, and issue can ultimately block the filter. This will cause the vehicle's performance and fuel economy to be massively impacted due to the engine attempting repeated regenerations, which can ultimately permanently damage the DPF. The first signs of a blocked filter can be reduced fuel economy, performance, or a warning light on the dash. Until now, this has meant a huge bill to replace the DPF system or the use of a chemical cleaning solution that targets the soot deposits within the filter, which is at best only a short-term, temporary fix, as the cleaning process is only half completed as it leaves behind the oil residue and ash deposits. DPF Tech uses a two-stage pressurized system that not only removes the soot, but most importantly targets the ash, oil and grease residue within the DPF system, taking the cleaning process to a whole new level. DPF Tech will connect to the vehicle's DPF system, and Solution 1 is injected under pressure whilst the engine is held at a high idle speed. This will allow the chemical to completely penetrate the filter and start dissolving the soot deposits. Then the process is repeated using Solution 2, again at a high tickover, this time dissolving the ash, oil and grease deposits. You will notice deposits exiting the exhaust system during the cleaning process as the oil, grease, soot and ash are expelled from the DPF. This is completely normal. The vehicle will require a short road test and the software resetting, which will complete the process.